Maine has over 500 public electric vehicle charging plugs, and more are on the way. If your property has a parking lot where drivers park their cars for 1.5 hours or more, it may be a good place to install EV chargers. Here are some things you might want to consider. We are going to focus on what's called Level 2 charging using 240 volts, which is a good fit for locations where people spend 1.5 or more hours at a time. Level 2 charging can provide between 20 and 40 miles of driving for every hour of charging. Some examples of locations well suited for Level 2 chargers are workplaces, apartment buildings, restaurants, recreation facilities, colleges, and universities.
Well, I think the most important consideration for us is having a location where people would use the charging stations. We wanted something that was accessible, that was safe and secure, and was close to some of our most important locations here in the city. So we're right next to Route 1. We are nearby our historic downtown. So it seemed like a good fit here.
This location had a number of advantages from our perspective. It's centrally located in Rockland's downtown. It's a stone's throw from Main Street and all it has to offer, with retail, restaurants, good proximity to government buildings, the post office behind us, courthouse and library around the corner, and easy walk to some major employers. This location has advantages whether you're a resident, whether you're a commuter, or whether you're a visitor to Rockland.
We decided that here in Payson Park it would be a great spot for an EV charger because it's a pretty popular place. We have tennis courts here, basketball, league sports play here on fields that are nearby, so it's a place that gets quite a bit of traffic. It just seemed like a really essential spot to get some chargers.
So the Root Center was attractive because we already had parking spaces designated as part of the LEED certification for the building for high efficiency vehicles. The electrical room was fairly close to those parking spaces, and there was extra spare electrical connection points that we could make in that building to allow us to serve those locations. And then this is also a pretty central location for folks that might be coming to an athletic event, to a musical event. This is a location that's very accessible to all of those visitors.
Choose a site for the chargers that is convenient for drivers and clear of obstructions, but not too far away from electrical service. Find more information about installing public EV chargers at www.efficiencymaine.com.